What's up YouTube? My name is Tesvol and today we'll be doing survival games and I'm playing on Raid 4, which is my absolute favorite freaking map. Oh, the crap stuff. Oh well. Oh well, okay. Whatever, I didn't really care. 66 grace period. Oh crap, there's clear lag. Take it. Oh, actually that was a troll chest, I didn't see anyone else take it. Yeah. This is my absolute favorite map. I play it all the time. This is Minecraft Universe server, and oh, cool, wood sword. Yeah, and it's pretty good because there's no lag like Skies or Skits. I'll put their IPs in the description below. Yeah, and today we're doing solo, but in the future I'm probably gonna do it is Silver Shuriken 47, who's probably my best friend, probably. Channel in the description below. I am a kind of okay. Well, I've made videos before on another channel, but I deleted that channel, and now I'm using this channel, which is Tesvol TV. Oh, another wood sword. I am full on getting leather. What is up with that? Yeah, and this is the best test I've ever found. Feel free to copy it, but if you copy it, it'd be nice if you subscribe it to me. Very, very nice. Take everything except leather. Spawn. Well, apparently the server doesn't. Apparently, but at least. Oh, should I go after? Nah, not worth. Yep, I'll go to the wharf now, which Silver Shuriken 47 likes to call the pier. And oh yeah, and oh well, give credit to him. Because he is the one who organized this whole route thing. Well, that guy could have freaking killed me. But if you like to see my settings changes, I prefer to keep it on fast and no bobbing. If you want to see it change, then feel free to comment about it. And if there are enough, maybe 5, then I will probably change it, and I hope that this place is it no, it's not. It is a chest. Whoa, there's only 4 players. Whoa, that's fast. Okay, in the walls. Slimes, I hate slimes. It's pretty annoying on this server. On this map, there's a lot of slimes on this map. I bet it's taken, but check anyway. Oh, it's not taken. But I'm not gonna take it because there's only leather left. Oh, I'm getting lag spikes. Oh, whoa. That was pretty decked. Food. I'm just gonna, inventory arrangement. Yep. Not doing too good. I usually do quite a lot better. Oh, yes, Iron Sword for the win. Yes, Iron Sword. Iron Sword pretty much dictates who wins a game. That is a quote from Skitscape. Yes. Yeah. Whoa, I thought I saw something. Yeah, might as well take the sword. I'm not giving anyone a weapon. Might take the sewer pass. Oh, iron hat, yes, awesomeness. Whoa! See, I have not taken any damage yet, and I haven't hit anyone yet. Oh, gold hat, but I don't need it. Oh, well. Okay, that was weird. No, oh, crap. I thought I wouldn't use this thing. Yes. I'm going up this tower now. And, I strongly recommend taking it because, a lot of people tend to you're pretty much secluded and you can take most of the chests when you're in the forest. Like I just was. full damage. That was kind of weird. Let's type in C. I just type in like lag or something. Yeah, I'm not lagging that bad. Yep. But if I'll try and get my friend Silver Shuriken 47 to make a video on chest root playing this, because he knows quite a lot. He probably knows more than me. Probably. Should I go on the train? Might as well, since I'm freaking decked with food. Just keep careful on these rails. And yeah, and I will try to upload a video every week, but I'm not entirely sure if I can. Like, a lot of stuff going on. Oh, I'm losing hunger. Oh, cool! Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Like, please, I just pray and yep. The result, did I take it? Yes, I did. Surprisingly, no one went for it. Well, maybe because people don't know how to get on there in the first place, as a lot of people can't. There is a chest over up all the way there, but I don't like to get it because it's pretty hard parkour with the ladders, and I'm pretty bad at parkour. But I sometimes do it, and they don't always, and you never get like ultimate loot with like iron swords or iron armor or something. I'm gonna go here, train station thing. Chain hat, but I don't need it. Oh man, I might go for that back for that wood sword, but oh, never mind. Oh cool, more ender balls. Did I see a name? No, I didn't. How many people left this list? There's 4 more. It's just 3. Sorry there's not enough action, but I have to get myself pretty geared. But someone has an iron sword. That guy had a gold sword. Maybe he took that like the other guy, but I'm not taking chances. Not that I'm scared. I'm not scared. It's just all the way over there. I'm not bothered to get. I'm lazy. Pretty sure all these chests have been looted anyway. No, that's not looted. Oh, freaking zombie. Let's go kill him. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, let's go under. Let's go the underground pass. This is. It could be looted, it could be not. I'm not even sure there's a button in here. Don't have Optifine to check. Okay, let's check this chest. Oh, iron chest. That is so worth it. I knew I should have gone there. I need to oh, why is this space? And yep. Just click here. Click. I don't even know if the button is here anymore. Nah, not worth it. Not worth just standing here. But there is a secret chest there. I just couldn't find it. There is a video I got by the Banjo Canadian. If you want to find that, you can check out his channel. And I'll probably post the video link in the description below. Sorry, I just have a really bad cough, and yep. Oh, there's a chest in there. I just realized that. I just walked past my wallet. Oh, this is the place that Captain Sparkles was killed by Simon Cow. Sparkles fought to the end. Everybody listed. Oh, Spawns back this way. I'm guaranteeing someone's at spawn. Someone's always at spawn. I gotta be careful. There's a really big chunk here. Right? Oh, there's a guy. He has freaking iron armor. And I'm gonna be freaking... If I surprise him... Oh, you're freaking dead, bro. You're dead, bro. Oh, yeah, yes. Oh my god, what the... Did I open the chest? What is this? 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 Oh yes, like a bus. Oh, like a boss. Oh man, that was exhilarating. Did you have a burn? No, you didn't. He's up there. Probably gonna kill me. I have a gut feeling it's gonna kill me. Oh, I won! Oh, like a boss. I'm gonna go on it again. Yeah. Actually, nah. I'll just end off the video here because I am lagging. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, and if you would, please subscribe. So yeah.